In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change gradient colors in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just someone who's recently taken up graphic design as a hobby, understanding how to tweak and perfect the gradients in your artwork can be a game changer. It can elevate the appeal of your designs and infuse them with that extra burst of creativity and professionalism you're aiming for. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Now, I know this seems straightforward, but make sure you're using the version you're comfortable with, as interfaces can differ slightly between updates. Once you have Adobe Illustrator successfully up and running, you're one big step closer to creating those stunning gradients. Next, turn your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to locate the Window option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options that help control your workspace layout. Among these, look for the option labeled Gradient. Selecting this will open the Gradient panel, which is an essential tool for anyone working with gradients in Illustrator. This panel is your command center, making it possible to craft and adjust all kinds of gradient effects with precision. Now that you have the Gradient panel open, this is where the magic happens. Here you can see a slider that represents the gradient applied to your selected object. It usually shows a smooth, flowing transition from one color to another. To change the colors within your gradient, simply click directly on the small color stops located along the gradient slider. These color stops are the points where one color transitions to the next. By clicking on them, you activate the color picker, allowing you to select any shade you desire. This is the perfect moment to let your creativity shine. Try experimenting with different color combinations to see how they alter the mood and dimension of your design. You can also add new color stops by clicking below the slider, enabling you to create more complex gradients with multiple colors. Remember that as you work with gradients, subtlety can often be more impactful than complexity. Sometimes just a slight tweak in shade can make a big difference in the final output. Also, if at any point you feel the gradient isn't quite what you hoped for, don't hesitate to use the Undo feature, a handy designer's ally. And there you have it. With these steps under your belt, you're prepared to explore and enhance your designs with beautiful and dynamic gradients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.